it's raining.
Guess you're gonna have to call it off.
No, we can bring the dirt inside.
Wait, what?
Hi guys, welcome back to the craft table. And if you are new here, I want to say a big welcome and I hope you enjoy. Today's DIY is an outdoor tumbling teacup planter. A lot of words for the cutest darn little thing. I'm going to make myself a tumbling teacup planter for my new fountain. So, let me show you what you're gonna need. 4 plastic teacups, 1 plate, hot glue, clear silicone, your choice of plant, dirt, small spoon, 1 spray bottle of water. Let's get to work. Step 1. Figure out how you want your teacups to tilt. And these I found at a Salvation Army thrift store. And the whole thing was 39 cents. So I just want mine to look a little tilted. I'm going to put a flower in this one, so I'm going to keep it a little bit up, but the rest, I think I like it like that. So just, it's all imagination. I'm going to take this little teacup and the red one, and what I'm going to do is figure out where this is going to touch, and I think I want it tilted like this, so I know it's going to touch here and on the back. Okay. And I'm going to use the silicone to make it last, and I'm going to use quite a bit here and here, and it stays very moist for quite a while. But I am going to dab some hot glue, and this is not important. You do not have to do this, but I do it for time's sake. Put a little bit of hot glue there and there, and then I place my teacup the way I want it and hold. And the hot glue will make it, hopefully, adhere so you can let go before the 30 minutes is up. And then same with the other, just repeat, stack your teacups, and you are ready. And there you have it. Now you're going to let it sit for at least 30 minutes. That'll give the silicone enough time to at least harden a little bit will be back. Alright, we've let it sit for a good 30 minutes and everything is touchable and pretty well stuck together. So now we're going to take our little cups and we're going to put them on our little plate. And I'm not going to put it center. I'm going to put mine towards the edge because I plan to plant a couple of hens and chicks. I'm going to have hens and chicks up here and a few around here. So let's get to work. That's all there was to it. I put the silicone on the bottom of the cup, some hot glue on the plate to make it stick and hold while it dries, and I'm going to give this another 15 to 30 minutes and then we'll come back and plant our little plants. Don't go away. Alright, everything is nice and glued together. Plate, cups, time to plant. And there you have it. And this is going to be sitting on my little fountain, which I will show you in just a few minutes. But how easy was that? Little plastic saucer, some plastic cups, some glue, silicone, dirt, and your favorite plants. And you have a cute little garden planter. You can put it on your porch, in your garden, anywhere you like. It's outdoor because we used the silicone, and it will sure to make anybody smile. I want to thank you guys so much for taking the time out of your day to spend with me, and I hope that you were able to find that little spark of inspiration to get the imagination going. If you enjoyed this tutorial and would like to see more, please consider subscribing, and don't forget, hit that little notification bell that maybe you will actually get notified when I upload a new video. So I hope you have a great week, and I promise I will see you soon. Bye-bye now.